This might be the first war where humans don't lead the fight. Iran and Israel, two ancient enemies, are now armed with modern machines. Above the battlefield, AI drones fly without pilots. They see everything, lock targets in seconds, and never blink. On the ground, cities go dark. Cyberattacks are shutting down power grids, cameras, entire defenses within minutes. Israel's Iron Dome predicts missiles before they're even fired. Iran's AI systems respond with countermeasures in milliseconds. But it's not just bombs and bytes. Deep fakes, fake tweets, AI propaganda, flooding every screen on the planet. This isn't tomorrow's war. It's already here. Autonomous bots patrol, while humans just supervise. Satellites are watching. Every move, every signal, every launch. The whole world is choosing sides. The battlefield has changed forever. Will we still control the war, or has the war already begun without us? Subscribe for deeper insight into the tech shaping tomorrow's world